Every day, the stock market sends signals. Some investors ignore them, some misread them, and a few learn to act on them. The difference? It's not intelligence, it's timing. So, the real question is, are you reacting to the market or understanding it? Timing the market isn't about predicting the future, it's about reading what the market is telling you. We simplify this using clear market signals and structured action plans. Every market moves through 4 key phases. Rally attempt, the market is trying to bounce back. No aggressive buying yet. Confirmed uptrend. Strength is validated. This is where real opportunities begin. Uptrend under pressure, warning signs appear. You need to stay cautious. Market in correction, risk is high. Capital protection becomes priority. 2 powerful concepts help confirm these phases. Follow-through day. This signals that institutions are stepping in. It often marks the start of a confirmed uptrend. Distribution days. These indicate institutional selling. Too many of these echo, and the market may weaken. These are not guesses. They are data-backed signals. Now comes the real game. What should you do? In a confirmed uptrend, start buying leading stocks gradually. In an uptrend, under pressure, be selective, protect your profits. In a correction, avoid new buys, focus on preserving capital. During a rally attempt, stay patient, observe. Timing isn't about being early, it's about being right. Even in uptrends, expect short-term moves and corrections. When the market breathes, you should stay aligned, not react emotionally. This is where MarketSmith India's daily and weekly big picture comes in. It tells you the market is doing and what you should be doing next. You don't need to predict the market, just understand it. Because in the end, the market rewards those who listen, not those who guess.